The issue we were trying to tackle was with street games. We felt as if that there were lots of people on the streets and not getting involved with sport. Not just getting involved with sport, but causing disruption to our local community. And obviously you go to our local parks and you'd see this group of young boys just hanging there and doing nothing interactive really. So our goal with street games was to get everyone involved in sport. With street games, the nature of street games is that it's doorstep sports in disadvantaged communities. The amount of participants can vary week to week. So our aim is that we first thought it would be a great initiative to get that to 6 bells in my local community, because we felt as if that was an area which we could really thrive on through this community and through this programme of street games. Yeah, it's been a very successful programme, has been, because obviously we've got young coaches and young volunteers out of it through the Sports Leaders programme and the Young Ambassador programme. We've got volunteers also then through Glen y Gwent Sports Development, and through the Sports Leaders and Young Ambassador programme it's been very vital, because it's taught that young ambassadors don't all have to be young people and don't all have to be a passion for sport. They all they have to be is to be able to have the willingness and the motivation to make it better in the communities for the better. And also this also works as role models kind of things, because young people then see these role models and young ambassadors and they inspire to be them.
We have developed an organisation called Skills. We reckoned we established a school sports survey around the whole of Wales, and we recognise that most girls don't really tend to enjoy taking part in sport, and we've really seen the gender gap between who's participating in sport and who's not. There's more boys and more girls. There's always been loads of barriers where girls don't like to participate in sport because they're either around boys or there's other barriers that they don't enjoy doing. So this organisation, Skills, is specifically targeted just for girls, and we noticed that most girls, even though you don't really associate football with girls, the most demand for it was football. So we've established a club for girls to actually play football, and it's just a girls only club, so no boys can come. So this then means that the gap between who's participating in sport is getting lowered, and they're nearly becoming level when girls and boys are both participating in sport. I think it's nice to see that young girls can actually go to a club, even if they don't even want to participate in an actual established club to play games on Saturdays. They can still go to these sessions and just play just for the love of it, or keep getting fit and things like that. Because when I came into the Young Ambassador programme, I noticed that there was more boys in my group than there was girls, and it's nice to see that now you look back and there's actually more girls becoming volunteers and helping out as well as boys. So it just proves to show that this Young Ambassador programme is both for boys and girls. There's no particular gender bias, it's just one organisation for everybody.